One statistic that stayed on my mind and stuck with me was that this generation of young people that's in school right now may be the first generation that has a shorter life expectancy than we will because of obesity and all the health-related issues that stem from obesity. That has stuck with me, and as I paid attention to it now, we see it everywhere.
One of the things that brings us to this point today, and one of the reasons why we think it is so important, over the past 30 years, childhood obesity rates in America have tripled. Nearly 1 in 3 children are now classified as being obese or overweight, and 1/3 of all the children born in 2000 or later will probably suffer from diabetes or some other chronic obesity-related health problem in their lifetime. So that is a significant problem, as I mentioned, and again, community awareness is part of the solution and part of the reason why we wanted to join this effort.
So we wanted to come up with different activities that we know that these kids will enjoy, be excited about it, and make sure they come out. At 8 o'clock, we will have the family walk, in which we include the whole family. So we're trying to get everyone involved. We have a rock climbing going on. And of course, we're going to have the skate park. We have obstacle course. We're going to have kids aerobics going on. Also tug of war and many other activities. I think we got old school games where we're going to have hopscotch and even marbles and something of that nature. We can kind of bring back a rich, I think most of us have grown up on Leave It to Beaver, and a lot of the episodes was gearing about taking what they had and just benefiting and just encouraging those kids. And we just want to continue just to encourage these kids, encourage the parents to come out on April the 30th. And we're going to have a good time. We want to make sure we implement this, and hopefully it works, that we can have it as an annual event and just incorporate that. So we thank y'all. So we're just looking for the support from the community.